Pagkatapos ng ulan, pagkamat nakalipas na ang mga sandali, ay nagmumuni kung ako'y nagwagi. Pinipilit mang sabihin na ito'y wala sa akin, ngunit bakit hanggang ngayon nagdurugo pa rin? Sa kanya pa rin babalik sigaw ng damdamin, sa kanya pa rin sasaya bulong ng puso ko. Kung buhay pa ang alaala ng ating nakaraan, ang pagmamahal at panahon alay pa rin sa kanya. Sad look in your eyes, why are you crying? Tell me now, tell me now, tell me why you're feeling this way. I hate to see you so down, no baby. Is it your heart, ooh, that's breaking all in pieces, making you cry, making you feel blue? Is there anything that I can do? Why don't you tell me where it hurts now, baby? And I'll do my best to make it better. Yes, I'll do my best to make those tears all go away. Just tell me where it hurts now, tell me. And I love you with a love so tender. Oh, and if you let me stay, I'll love all of the hard way. Where are all those tears coming from? Why are they falling? Somebody. Sabi mo ay babalik, hanggang ngayon'y wala. Sino na ba ang bago mo? Mas malambing ba siya? Mahal ba ba ako? Hindi ko napansin paglipas ng araw.